Hi guys, yes, it's a new week and as the home economics teacher of a school, this week is all about practical. Then on those practical, production of liquid soap, the hypochlorite bleach, that's the whitener was made and the students were carried along stage by stage on this production, and the concentration was more on JSS 1, 2 and 3. Yes, this is a typical week in my life as the home economics teacher in a Nigeria school. Yes, so here I was explaining to the students on the uses of this product we are producing this very day, and on this very day we're producing liquid soap. Yes, so I was taking them through the stages, the equipment needed, then after which the introduction of the chemical. Then here I was showing them how chemical caustic soda dealt with my spoon I normally use for production, and I came to school with that spoon. I normally use it for my production. The other thing you need is phone. Somebody promised to bring phone. Where is the person? They say you will make it. You say you will make. Where is the person? Michael. So look for a way to make for us after production. So hand gloves. You need hand gloves. What we need damage your skin. Is that taking? The other thing is measuring bucket. That was why I was requesting for that measuring bucket. But you said principal locked it up. You find a way around it. The other one you need is water. You need water. You will be the one doing the mix. I will not miss.
Yes.
So production, we want to start producing now. The first thing we do is mix caustic soda inside half liter of water. Who is doing that for us? Careful, careful. But always handle chemical with care. Pour and stir. At this point, I have to measure the water myself. I was taking measurement of the water because your measurement must be accurate before you get a perfect production. And the students were fully involved. I delegate, I make sure they do it themselves so they will get used to it, because what you involve in, what you do yourself, you hardly forget. So I make sure I pick students from each class to be fully involved, except for those chemicals that were a bit harsh that I know of. I have to handle those ones myself. It wasn't difficult for me at all to teach these students how to go about this production, because this is my business as an entrepreneur. I do all of this for business, so I teach them joyfully without requesting a dime from them, and it's a thing of joy that I'm imparting life with my skills. Like I said, the students were fully involved. I also showed them where they could get the material around them in this stand. Then what again? You need color and fragrance.
Alright, chop on. Chop on. I'll give you. Madam, you are wasting it. You are wasting it.
Immediately. Very well. Hold on. This particular chemical called sulfonic acid is a bit harsh, so I have to handle it myself, and I mix it with thiazapine, and they are both foaming agents. They make our production to lather very well, so I have to mix it myself. But this one is distant.
Yes.
They are pouring to be stirred in the distant dissolver. Somebody should be pouring for me small. Come close. And I needed somebody to pour for me bit by bit here, and I did the stirring myself for a start, after which the student took over from me. If you want detailed video on the production of liquid soap here on YouTube, please let me know in the comment section. I will do that joyfully. Add it bit by bit, because if you add your color, if it's too much, it will be dark. Is that taking? Production done, and it was a perfect and a successful one. The students were asked to bring some jars so they could take some of the soap to their various homes to show their parents. So parents coming back with positive results, so impressed about it. This management as well were impressed. Thank you for watching.